Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing magnetic color gels that I bought few months back. These are from TEMU. I'll start from light pink. This color called light rose quartz. This is my favorite color. Let's see what's next. This color called porcelain white. It's whitish silver color. I think it's super cute. Third color called scepter ancient Egyptian. It's like a chocolate dark brown. Great color for autumn and winter. Last color doesn't have a name, just number 1. I hope you enjoyed my video. Those colors are so pretty and good prices. If you are interested, I have another review video on TEMU product. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.